So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to scroll down and then we're going to click on more sound settings. And now once you're on this, you want to find your Bluetooth speakers. Here's mine right here. You want to click on it one time and then you want to click on set default and then the green tick will appear. If you're unable to locate your Bluetooth speakers right here, I'm going to show you in the later methods how to fix this, but this is just right now if you can locate it. So if you can locate it, now you want to click on your speakers and then click on properties. And then you want to click on the advanced tab and you want to make sure this has been set to the highest one that you have and then click on OK. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then next to audio, you want to click on run. You want to open this up. And now you want to click on yes. And now you should want to go through all of this. Now once you've done all that, you want to scroll down again. And now next to Bluetooth, you want to click on run. And then this will come up. You want to click on yes. And then click on continue. And then you should want to go through all these steps as well. And now once you do all that, your problem should be fixed.